All right, people, I got a plan here for DIS. DIS is a bottom reversal plan that I like. Targets are a 108 to 112 from here. The July 21, 105 or 106 calls could be used. All right, people, there are going to be some things I'm explaining that are not in the boxes. So I'm going to talk about some things I do want to see this do and trend properly. But right now, this just needs to break over 106 to confirm. I will explain some more important facts inside the video, not in the boxes. So, theoretically, I mean, this did confirm already today. However, the next confirmation level will be 106. Once we confirm above 106, we don't want this to go below 105 for long, in case there is a pullback. There is going to be a resistance level in around the 107, 67 area. So how we bust that, but it should be smooth. When I went to look at these charts, and a lot of things that I look at, there's a lot of reason to, that the bottom is in here, that they don't need to test that bottom again. Okay, anything is possible. That's why 105 is a measurement level right now. So 105 they should not want to take this below 105, because if they do, then there's a test they could want to test this again. At the same time, we got a lot of time with these options to engage in the 105 or 106 calls could be used. So keep these numbers in mind. Simply getting above 106. You may want to watch for some basic above 106, so look for power towards 106.10. Some sort of strength in that 106 to 106.10 layer area to engage in either of these options. So keep those numbers that I mentioned, that I explained in the video. Even if we were just to get to 108, they could simply, honestly, have a nice run to this 108 to 110 to 112 area. Okay, we'll have to see how the action goes, but getting to 108, you're looking at least 150, 200% gains in these options. Let's go take a look at the options together. All right, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and Disney closed at 105.57, up 121. And here's the July 21 calls. All right, so let's take a look at why I like. Well, so here's the 105. You can see, look at this. There's 8,000 open interest contracts for the 105 calls. They're trading at 164, and there's some open interest happening. There's a lot of look at this. There's a lot of open interest. And now we type this video, we can see exactly how much these options gain as well. So you got the 110 calls, and just for people who don't understand options, 1.5, 1.64 means for every 100 shares you control of Disney, it's costing you $164. So if you buy 10 contracts of Disney at, let's say, theoretically at that price right now, you're controlling 1,000 shares of Disney for about $1,640. Okay, plus your commissions, right? Versus how much it would cost to buy Disney 1,000 shares. So you got a lot of leverage with options. So people who, there are people who make big money with options, and they go buy 100 contracts at a time and doubling their money literally in days, right? It's more powerful than buying the shares. If you know what you're doing with options, it's more powerful. You just multiply. If you study, we'll get to my channel later, people. But it is more powerful. But you need better timing techniques, higher risk tolerance sometimes. But it depends on how you do it. But anyways, as you can see, these are the two ones that I would like to engage with. They're trading very well. You got the 105 calls and the 106 calls. So the 106 calls are around average about $1.14. Now confirmation is going to cost a little bit more, not much more. And these are the two to be used. I think the sweet spot where you'll be able to make some gains no matter what. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post a lot of great plans, a lot of great information, such as in this created playlists. I got a lot of winning plans that show the power of options. My website has a lot of great videos here, Power Target Trades. Go to that. Subscribe to this channel, people. Listen, there's a world of information here of power of what can be done with. So whether you have a large account or small account, large amounts of money can be made if you understand and you have the patience to wait for confirmation. You have a solid plan. And what I do in these videos is post solid plans. Now Disney is not the same thing like a BA breakout or a J&J breakout, but it can still produce great gains because there are issues with it. Okay, there are issues with DIS. However, DIS can make some profits. People like that. That's great. It's just not the same caliber of a trade as a J&J setup or a BA setup. And those have made great gains. The BA plan, I'm going to post it. You can see what I talk about in the 300% gains in the BA plan. But anyways, people, it is what it is. See the Standard Power Trigger Trade is going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. So there you have, people, a great update. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Study what I'm explaining, and there's a lot of power and great things going to be happening on Power Target Trade. So you want to subscribe to this channel. Also, you want to follow me on Power Trigger Trade on StockTwits or on Twitter. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe over here and like the video.